If Shabnam is an individual, she must remain an individual even if she dies. As a spirit, as a soul, you must be recognizable in the system of God throughout, as long as this life and the life hereafter exists. This is actually the philosophy of Iqbal.
It's an amazingly enduring and such an empowering philosophy.
Yeah.
Because at the essence of everything, if we look at human nature and we look at people, just as a subjective element, you will see that the most important thing that we nurture when a child as well, the most important thing to work on for a child is their self-esteem.
Exactly.
Is their self-worth.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we'll be packing lots of books in their bags and making sure they're going to the right schools and making sure that they're getting the right education and everything. But how much time and energy are we working on, are we giving to our children to tell them that you, as a being, you are very important.
Yeah.
No matter what you do or you do not do, because you are you, you must have that self-worth and self-esteem inside you that will then lead them to achieve great things.
Yeah, absolutely right. You see, Iqbal was a philosopher, as you introduced him to the viewers. What is the function, what is the role of a philosopher in our society? From where does one philosopher start studying the universe? That's a triangle, basically. At the one end of the triangle, God is present. At the second point of the triangle is the universe, and the third one is the man, we. A philosopher starts studying the universe from starts elaborating the relationship between man, God, and the universe. For example, I have a relationship with this universe. What should I do to this universe, and what should this universe do to me? Similarly, what sort of relationship I should possess with Allah, and what sort of relationship, what He is going to do with me eventually. Iqbal says that come forward, come forward and change the universe, reconstruct it, destroy it first and reconstruct it to your dream. If you have a dream, if you have a parallel idea of having a universe, please destroy this given universe and construct your own. Phunk dale ye zamino asmane mastar. This universe has been given to you. Turn it into ashes.
Exactly.
And make your own.
So empowering. Again, the whole message